If your computer has been feeling slow lately, taking forever to boot up, lagging when you switch apps, or just feeling sluggish in general, you don't need to buy anything or download any sketchy third-party software to fix it. Windows already has everything you need built right in. You just need to know where to look. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 6 proven ways to speed up your PC using only built-in Windows tools. No technical knowledge required. These work on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get into it. Fix number 1. Disable startup apps. This is the single most impactful thing most people can do to speed up their PC, and it takes about 2 minutes. Every time you turn on your computer, a bunch of apps launch automatically in the background. Spotify, Discord, OneDrive, Teams, your antivirus, your browser, they're all loading up before you've even opened anything. That's what makes boot time slow, and why your PC feels sluggish for the first few minutes after you turn it on. Here's how to fix it. Press Ctrl Shift Esc to open Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab. It looks like a speedometer icon. You'll see a list of every app that launches at startup, and next to each one, it tells you its startup impact. Low, medium, or high. Go through the list and right-click anything you don't need running immediately at startup. Things like Spotify, Steam, or any app you only open occasionally, and select Disable. You're not uninstalling anything. You're just telling Windows not to open it automatically. You can still launch it manually whenever you want. Disabling just 2 or 3 of those can noticeably cut your boot time. Fix number 2. Clean junk files with storage sense and disk cleanup. A hard drive that's almost full slows your PC down. Windows needs free space to operate properly, and when it doesn't have it, everything gets sluggish. There are 2 built-in tools that handle this. The first is Storage Sense. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage. You'll see a breakdown of what's taking up space on your drive. Toggle Storage Sense on, and Windows will automatically clean up temporary files and clear your recycle bin on a schedule. If you want to run it right now, scroll down and click Run Storage Sense Now. Give it a minute, and it'll free up whatever it can automatically. The second tool is Disk Cleanup, which goes a bit deeper. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and open it. Select your C drive. When it loads, click the button that says Clean Up System Files. This gives you access to larger categories like Windows Update Cleanup, which can sometimes free up several gigabytes on its own. Check the boxes for temporary files, Windows Update Cleanup, and Recycle Bin. Then click OK and let it run. Do both of these and you'll likely recover anywhere from a few hundred megabytes to several gigabytes of space, all of which helps your system breathe a little easier. Fix number 3. Turn off visual effects and transparency. Windows comes with a lot of visual polish. Animated windows, fade effects, shadows under menus, transparency on the taskbar. They look nice, but they consume system resources. On older or lower spec machines especially, turning these off can make a real difference in how responsive everything feels. Here's how to do it. In the Start menu, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows and open it. You'll see a window called Performance Options. Click Adjust for Best Performance to turn everything off at once. Your interface will look a bit more plain, but it will feel noticeably snappier. If you want to keep some visual features, you can leave it on Custom and manually uncheck just the animations and shadows, while keeping things like font smoothing turned on. That's a good middle ground. There's also a separate setting for transparency. Go to Settings, then Personalization, then Colors, and toggle Transparency Effects off. It's a small thing, but every bit of freed-up processing helps on a slower machine. Fix number 4. Set your power plan to high performance. This one surprises a lot of people. By default, Windows might be running in a balanced or power saver mode, which deliberately limits your processor speed to conserve energy. That's fine for a laptop on battery, but if you want full performance, you need to change it. Go to Settings, then System, then Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, change it from Balanced to Best Performance. That's it. Windows will now let your processor run at full speed instead of throttling it to save power. If you're on an older version of Windows or want more control, you can also open Control Panel, search for Power Options, and select High Performance from the list there. Some machines also have an Ultimate Performance option, which squeezes out every last bit of processing power. One note: if you're on a laptop, this will drain your battery faster. Use it when you're plugged in, and switch back to Balanced when you're running on battery. Fix number 5. Run system maintenance and update Windows. Windows has a built-in maintenance tool that most people have never heard of, and it quietly handles a lot of background housekeeping when you run it manually. Open Control Panel, go to System and Security, then Security and Maintenance. Expand the Maintenance section and click Start Maintenance. Windows will check for issues, clear unnecessary logs, and run a few background optimization tasks. Let it run, and don't interrupt it. While you're at it, keep Windows updated. Outdated software is one of the most common causes of slow performance and security vulnerabilities. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Also click Advanced Options and look for Optional Updates. This is where driver updates often hide, and updated drivers for your graphics card, network adapter, or storage controller can make a meaningful difference in performance. Make a habit of checking for updates at least once a month if Windows isn't doing it automatically. Fix number 6. Use Microsoft PC Manager. If you want a single tool that pulls a lot of this together in one place, Microsoft has an official app called PC Manager, available free from the Microsoft Store. It's not pre-installed, but it's made by Microsoft, and it's clean, simple, and actually useful. Once you open it, you'll see a boost button that clears temporary files and frees up RAM with one click. Useful when your PC is feeling sluggish mid-session without needing a full restart. It also shows you your startup apps, your storage usage, and lets you manage everything from one dashboard. Think of it as a cleaner, friendlier version of Task Manager for everyday maintenance. Search for Microsoft PC Manager in the Microsoft Store, install it, and run a boost the next time things feel slow. It takes about 10 seconds. Quick tips for keeping your PC fast. Before we wrap up, here are 4 quick habits that'll keep your PC running well long-term. Restart weekly. Don't just put your PC to sleep. Actually restart it at least once a week. Restarting clears RAM, stops hidden background processes, and applies any pending updates. It's the simplest maintenance habit there is. Uninstall programs you don't use. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Sort by size and go through the list. If there's something you haven't opened in months, uninstall it. Bloatware from manufacturers is especially worth clearing out on new PCs. Turn off game mode if you don't game. Go to Settings, then Gaming, then Game Mode, and toggle it off. Game Mode reserves system resources for gaming, which is great if you game, but wasteful if you don't. Check your drive type. Open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab, and click on Disk. It'll tell you whether you have an HDD or an SSD. If you have an HDD, search for Defragment and Optimize Drives in the Start menu and run it. This reorganizes your data for faster access. If you have an SSD, Windows handles optimization automatically, so you don't need to do anything manually. And those are 6 built-in ways to speed up your Windows PC. No downloads, no cost, no technical expertise needed. Quick recap. Disable startup apps in Task Manager. Clean junk files with Storage Sense and Disk Cleanup. Turn off visual effects and transparency. Set your power plan to best performance. Run system maintenance and keep Windows updated. And use Microsoft PC Manager for quick one-click boosts. Start with the startup apps. That one alone makes a noticeable difference on most PCs. Then work through the rest at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips just like this one.